Today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts about the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. This is a 3D printer, really for beginners. We purchased this for my son for his birthday, and we've been having a ton of fun with it as a family. It's pretty simple to set up. It's about 20 minutes to set up, and it just takes this filament through it, heats it up, and turns it into designs. Really nice interface on the front there, touch screen, so you can manage designs. Some are already preloaded into the machine, or you can send them there through your phone or through your computer as well. And then here's some of the stuff that we created. But before I show you that, this is the Bambu Lab app. And so you can literally just go through here and choose a design. You can look stuff up. You can go into community. You can manage all your devices and everything like that on here. And then you can just hit print, and it just like you would a regular printer, and it will print off some of these designs, which are pretty amazing. And some of them are very intricate, like this articulating spider. This was a print in place, so that means I didn't have to assemble it. It was just right there on one plate, and it just made this spider there, which was pretty amazing. And you can kind of hear it and see it. Also, the same thing with this jet plane, so it does have these articulating wings that fold back. Very cool little toys that you can make, create. If you want to make fidget spinners, there's all kinds of little fidgety things that you can make on there. Here's their little boat that they are pretty known for of creating. Also made a phone stand. So pretty cool phone stand. And most of this stuff, this probably took about 20 minutes. This was 20, 25 minutes. This maybe took right about an hour, and this is like a little forklift. And we've printed about 25 hours on this machine, and we had one hiccup, and it was actually with this, and I don't know if it was the design or the filament wasn't hot enough or the nozzle didn't get hot enough, and it had a little bit of trouble. But it's very simple. I just scraped off the material and then restarted the print, and it printed off. And these wheels move. This goes up and down. This tilts. I mean, it's pretty cool what the community over at Bambu Lab has come up with. So very impressive. So if you're looking for a beginner friendly 3D printer, I can definitely recommend this one. And this also has an attachment that you can get with a combo kit that will do multiple colors. We just did the one color because we weren't really sure what we were getting into, but there's a lot of cool multiple color design. So if you are looking for a really nice beginner 3D printer, I definitely recommend the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. I hope this video helps.